Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to open Audi Q7 fuel cap. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Locate the fuel door on the right rear quarter panel, then use the dash release or press the door edge to pop it open. Grip the cap firmly and turn counterclockwise until it clicks or comes free. Inspect the gasket, replace if cracked, and reinstall by turning until it clicks securely. In this video, I will show how to open Audi Q7 fuel cap. Identify the interior release lever or button, usually by the driver's seat or door panel. Pull or press it firmly but gently, then step outside to confirm the fuel door popped open. If nothing happens, check the fuse box and inspect the release cable for breaks or disconnection. Apply light lubricant to any sticky latch and test again before replacing parts. In this video, I will show how to open Audi Q7 fuel cap. When the interior release fails, access the fuel door from the trunk or wheel well using the service panel. Carefully reach the latch and release it by hand, avoiding sharp tools that can scratch paint. Inspect the cable and latch for corrosion, replace the cable if frayed, and lubricate the mechanism to prevent future sticking. Reassemble panels and test the operation thoroughly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.